Hey guys, my name is Christina Nietzsche, and this is the Instant Pot Duo Crisp. So this is pretty awesome because it is able to turn your pressure cooker into an air fryer. Now this model is actually the 8-quart, but it also comes in a 6-quart as well. I'm basically going to go over all of the, all the accessories that it comes with, and then we will also go over the cooking details and what I'm personally using it for. So this is going to come with a plate. This is basically so you can sit your hot tops or just, place them for storage somewhere, which is nice. This right here, this is basically what turns this into an air fryer. So you're gonna take this lid off, and then all you're gonna do is you're gonna line up, there's actually these right here, you line this up with the back over here, and you just place that right on top. Make sure each of these sides are hooked in good, and then that's all you do. Now the cool thing with this, unlike the pressure cooker top, is that in the middle of the cooking cycle, if you want to check your foods that you're air frying, all you have to do is lift this up, and then it automatically pauses the cooking process, which is really cool. Now it actually will pause it for up to 3 minutes, so just something to think about. When you place the lid back on top, what happens is it automatically starts cooking again. So you don't need to press any buttons to actually start the cooking cycle. So, all right, let me actually show you guys what it comes with here. This is a trivet, so I use this a lot when I'm making my egg white bites. I lower the container down in there, and then it's easy to pull back up. Another thing it also comes with is a thing for steaming, and then this is actually your air fry basket, okay? It's actually 2 parts, so you can clean, this actually does come off. So you can actually get in there and clean really well. Another thing too that I like to point out is not only is this a steamer, but you can use this to basically create different tiers for air frying. So with air frying, you don't want to overcrowd, and that's pretty much like the key to a great air fry product. You don't want to overcrowd, right? So you notice that if I place this here, I effectively have 2 equal levels. So I've got 1 layer on top and then a layer on the bottom, and you can air fry all of that at the same time. And then we're gonna get right down to the just the very base of the Instant Pot is going to be your container. So this is the 8-quart right here. Keep in mind, if you're getting that 6-quart, it's gonna be just a little bit smaller, not much, but it's gonna be a little bit smaller. All right, cooking. Let's talk about cooking. So as you guys can see, you've got all of these different functions right here. You can change the temperature and the time. You've got pressure cook, you've got saute, you've got slow cook, steam, sous vide, which is really cool, air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, and also your keep warm function. So it does everything that your standard Instant Pots do, but now you can air fry.